It was a bright sunny morning in the Swingling Forest, home to a big group of monkeys. All day they would swing from the trees, chattering and playing. Oh, there's the naughtiest monkey in the forest, little Minka. Where's he off to?
I better find a good hiding place, or my brother will find me easily. This is a perfect place to hide. I'm going right down to the bottom, and Jojo will never find me.
Oh, that looks dangerous.
Ow!
Oh no, looks like the creeper snapped. Poor Minka is trapped inside. Meanwhile, back home, Jojo was looking for Minka.
Has anyone seen Minka? Have you seen my little brother? Is he lost? Where could he be?
Help! Help!
What was that? Could it be?
Jojo, help me!
Minka! Minka, try to grab the other end of the stick. I'll pull you up.
It's not long enough. I can't reach it.
Don't worry, Minka. I'll get help.
Jojo brought his friends back to help. They tried different things to get Minka out, but nothing works.
I have a wonderful idea, but we need a lot more monkeys for it. I can't do this alone. I need everyone's help. We are going to form a monkey chain. So first you go up and hang from that branch.
Now if each monkey holds on to the previous one, we can form a chain right down to the bottom of the well.
Jojo, I'm so glad to be out.
Don't ever do that again, Minka. Thanks a lot, friends. I could have never done it alone.
All's well that ends well.
Hey there. Would you like to help me reach my little brother? Read the sentence and click the correct adjective that fits in the blank. If you click correctly, Minka and I can move one step closer to each other. Get started.
Great work! Great work! Great work! Great work!